In this video, I will show you how to reduce mobile data usage on your iPhone. If you have a lot of mobile data being used, you can go into the settings and mobile service, and here you'll find the apps that are using your mobile data. And some apps you can disable, but some you cannot disable. The system services apps, you can't really disable them, but you can go through, for example, Wi-Fi assist. If you don't need it, you could disable it. If you don't need to have the iCloud drive on mobile data, you can also disable that, or do iCloud backup through the mobile data. I would always disable that. You show more apps. Now you can turn off mobile data for more apps. For example, on the App Store, I'm not sure if I really need to have the App Store access to the internet through mobile data. Maybe no. But you can always re-enable these settings. If you disable something, it might cause problems that something will not work anymore. So you have to be careful. If you disable something, you have to know which thing you disabled to put it back if there is any issue. If the 5G signal is not very good in your area, you can actually disable the 5G. You can set the iPhone to 4G mode only. So you can choose the mobile data options, and here you can, I wouldn't recommend enabling data roaming, but you can choose 5G auto, 5G on, or 4G. And 4G is if you're in an area that doesn't have good signal, and you can also use low data mode to reduce the mobile data usage even more. So it's going to try as good as it can to use as little as possible of your mobile data. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.